In today's video, I'm going to show you PCCOOLER CPS KN750 review, legit gold PSU or hidden risk. The PCCOOLER CPS KN750 is a 750W power supply unit with 80 plus gold efficiency, full modular cabling, support for ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 hardware, and protections like OVP or UVP or SCP built in all features you want in a modern PSU. It uses Japanese rated capacitors and a 120mm fan to keep temperatures under control and is aimed at gaming and performance builds. Independent user-compiled reviews of similar PCCOOLER units, such as the YN750 sibling, consistently mention quiet operation, stable power delivery, and good efficiency, with many builders appreciating the fully modular cables and energy-efficient performance even under load. For many, it has been a solid entertainer PSU for gaming rigs without obvious instability. That's the good news, but it's not all butter and no crumbs. On enthusiast forums, the PCCOOLER brand and this KN series specifically get a mixed reputation because the PSU is relatively new and the internal components and performance aren't as thoroughly vetted by labs as premium brands like Seasonic, Corsair, or EVGA. Some community members point out that tier lists and efficiency results vary for these units and that older or cheaper variants have only modest voltage regulation compared with top-tier models. Another practical takeaway is about sourcing and seller reliability. You'll often see these PSUs at unusually low prices on marketplaces, and cheap third-party listings can be risky or even fail to ship. So be cautious about where you buy from. Bottom line, the PCCOOLER CPS KN750 is not a scam. It's a real, modern PSU with strong efficiency, modular design, and features for current hardware. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.